Dear Pinoy Trending Story. Itago nyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Mark, 20 taong gulang, isang engineering student sa isang kilalang university dito sa Manila. Gusto ko lang pong i-share itong experience ko na hanggang ngayon di ko alam kung tama ba o mali, pero aaminin ko na e-enjoy ko. Second year college ako noon at may isa kaming instructor. Tawagin na lang natin siyang Sir J. Medyo bata pa siya, siguro late 20s, at aaminin ko, crush ng bayan sa department namin. Bukod sa matalino at magaling magturo, ang lakas ng appeal niya. That time, I was still exploring my sexuality. Pero mas lamang talaga ang attraction ko sa guys. Medyo nahihirapan ako sa subject niya, kaya lagi akong nagpapatutor sa kanya after class. One time, inabot na kami ng gabi sa isang coffee shop malapit sa school. Nagkayayaan na uminom, total Friday naman. Sa kondo niya kami napadpad. Habang nagiinuman, mas lumalalim yung kwentuhan namin. From ACADS to personal life, nalaman kong he's also into guys. Hindi ko na po idedetalye, admin. Pero one thing led to another. The student-teacher consultation turned into something else. It was my first time with an older guy, and honestly, it was amazing. Ang wild. Kinabukasan, doon na pumasok yung kaba. Paano kami haharap sa isa't isa sa klase? The following Monday, apektado talaga. Sa klase, parang ahas na umiiwas kami sa eye contact. Yung upuan ko nasa harap pa naman. Nung nagpa-recitation siya at tinawag ako, parehas kaming na-awkward. Ramdam ko yung tingin ng mga kaklase ko. I swear, my face was so red. Akala ko, doon na matatapos yung something namin. I thought it was just a one-time thing. But after that awkward class, bigla siyang nag-text. Are you free later? Same place. My heart pounded. I replied, yes sir. And just like that, it continued. We became more careful. Sa labas ng classroom, we were more than just a student and an instructor. Yung mga tutorials namin, laging nauuwi sa kondo niya. It's been months, and it's still our little secret. I know it's risky, but there's a thrill to it that I can't seem to resist. Salamat sa pagbasa, admin. Naguguluhan, Marky.